In this video, I am going to discuss about Social Science Code 087 syllabus for Class 10 Standard. This syllabus is for session 23-24, that is a new year syllabus over here. I am going to also discuss about subject-wise weightage as well as chapter-wise mark allocation which is given in the syllabus. See, this will help you to prepare for your exams. This is a new year syllabus over here. You can see the subject wise weightage is given to us. Your social science paper consists of 4 sections: history, political science, geography, and economics. See, history includes 5 chapters over here, whereas it will be there for 23 marks. Actual paper is for 80 marks and history will be there for 23 marks. This is a political science syllabus. It will be asked to you only for 15 marks. Geography will be asked to you for 22 marks and economics will be asked to you for 15 marks over here. And 5 marks has been allocated for map over here. See, remember, compared to last year all the 4 part, that is history, political science, geography, economics, were asked for 20 marks each. But this year weightage for history and geography has increased, whereas political science and economics has decreased over here. So you have to take a note of it while preparing the things. Whereas map as concerned, you will be asked maps from all the chapters in the geography. This is what we have to remember. That is book called as Contemporary India 2. Whereas history में से केवल 2 ही मार्क का जो मैप का क्वेश्चन आएगा, that is also from nationalism in India. So these questions are also fixed. Now let us see the chapter wise mark distribution over here. Here it is a कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर फॉर क्लास 10. हिस्ट्री के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. हिस्ट्री इंडिया एंड कंटेम्पररी वर्ल्ड 2. सी, इट विल बी फॉर 23 मार्क्स and 2 marks are allocated for map pointing. Means nationalism in India chapter में से you will be given, already you will be given some particular things. Only you have to write down their names. See, again this history is divided into 5 sections: events and processes over here, livelihoods, economics and societies, everyday life, culture and politics. Now there are 2 chapters in the first section, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe, and you can see it will be asked for 6 marks. Whereas nationalism in India, it will be asked for 8 marks over here. The rise of global world, it will be only for 1 mark. See, certain part will be only asked for exam, that is from 1 to 1.3 will be asked. Regarding related part, remaining part will be kept for interdisciplinary project over here. So that won't be asked in the final board exam. Whereas the chapter number 4, the rise of industrialization, it will be only for periodic assessment. It will not be there for final exam. Our 5th chapter, print culture and modern world, will be asked to you for 8 marks. Means even though there are 5 chapters, you can see the importance will be given to first, second and the last chapter. इट डज नॉट मीन कि बाकी का चैप्टर्स आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है. बाकी का जो चैप्टर है वो इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट और पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट के लिए रखा गया है. तो फाइनल एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस 3 chapters आर गोइंग टू बी very important, so that you have to keep it in mind. Now coming to geography part over here, see, you will find there are total 7 chapters. Chapter number 1 is resources and development. It will be allocated 4 marks over here. Forest and wildlife, 2 marks have been allocated. Water resources, 4 marks. Agriculture, 5 marks. Minerals and energy resources, 3 marks. Manufacturing industries, 3 marks. Lifeline, of national economy will be there for only 1 mark, out of which only roadways and railways will be asked to you in the board exam. This is what you have to remember. इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बाकी का टॉपिक्स ये चैप्टर में से रखा गया है. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. सो ज्योग्राफी में से इवन दो देयर आर 7 चैप्टर्स, you will find more weightage is given to agriculture, water resources and development. Now coming to the political science part over here, you can see there are total 5 chapters, out of which power sharing will be asked to you for 2 marks, federalism will be asked to you for 3 marks, then gender, religion and caste will be only for 2 marks, political parties को ज़्यादा marks है, that is 5 marks के लिए है, and outcome of democracy will be for 3 marks. That is how this political science will be asked to you for 15 marks over here. Now last but not least part of our social science, that is economics. Economics will be asked to you only for 15 marks over here. Again it has 5 chapters. First chapter development, which will be asked for 4 marks. Second chapter sectors of the Indian economy, 5 marks. Money and credit, 5 marks. Whereas globalization, that is fourth chapter, will be asked in the board exam only for 1 mark. बाकी का ग्लोबलाइजेशन का जो टॉपिक है, that they have kept it for interdisciplinary project. Please try to understand. Only these two things are going to be important in the globalization part. Okay, and consumer right fifth chapter is entirely kept for project work. मतलब बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये बिल्कुल नहीं रहेगा. So out of these 5 chapters, these 4 chapters one has to prepare thoroughly from board exam point of view. So that is how we have to remember, and we have to start with our preparation over here. If you like this information, then like the channel, share this information with your friends, and also subscribe the channel so that you can keep on getting this kind of important information on time to time basis from PR Tech. Thank you.